Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Avanti Morocha. Today I'll show you how to replace the maintenance box from your Epson SureColor F170. If you already got a warning that you need to change the maintenance box, your printer won't work until you replace this piece. I ordered this replacement on the Epson website. It cost me about $23 and it arrived in about a week. Now I'll show you the process. In my case, my printer stopped working correctly and I noticed I had a warning telling me that I need to replace the maintenance box. This is the replacement piece I ordered on the Epson website and it cost me $23. Inside is the replacement piece and the instructions are printed on the box. The first step I take when replacing machine parts is to turn up and unplug the printer, even though it's not mentioned in the instructions. This will take a few minutes because it's just how this printer works. In order to access the maintenance box, first remove the cover from the back corner by unfastening the screw. Pull the cover in the direction of the arrow. Remove the maintenance box. Now I will replace the piece, but first I will place the old piece in a Ziploc bag to avoid any spills. Place the maintenance box the same way you remove it. Place the cover and fasten the screw. Now you can turn on your printer. In my case, I have to deep clean the printer head nozzles because they were clogged due to the printer being idle for a couple of weeks. If you want to see how I do the cleaning, check my video Epson F170 Solutions to Problems. After a couple cleaning cycles, everything went back to normal. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And that's it. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.